Hello everybody and welcome to my new devlog. I'm pretty excited because the first one that I did was it had the game in a pre startup pace, and I've been working not that much on it at the first, but I've been adding more details and stuff, and I'm pretty confident that I feel like at least the first level of the game is actually gonna be finished now. Of course, any more graphic details will maybe add them later on, but really I think that this part is already finished, so I'm gonna just document a bit what happened. Especially it was mostly graphical. I started adding more props, I downloaded some asset packs and added some more lighting. I worked a bit on more textures, on different texture styles, and also added a lot of decals because decals always make things look much better. So I've been working especially in adding all minor details that can make the game look more alive, more, let's say, more professional. And also I started tweaking a bit into blueprints, because the thing is that in the end this project is based on the master's degree I'm studying, and the idea is that I have to learn how to code, but code. I have to learn how to use blueprints. But of course, this is a really slow process, and as we learn along the way, pues everything that we learn is actually gonna be implemented in the game. So I don't want to take more time in this intro. I would really like to show how this is going right now, what changes have happened from the last time. So let's click play and give it a go. So as you can see, you start on your cell right. There's much more details around. The guy is gone. You're alone on your cell. This door eventually will open in animation. I also added this little detail that I found really fun, but I think I'm gonna have to refine later on, and is that now you can duck in your game. I will probably use this mechanic for later on, but I'm glad that I'm happy that I was able to add this to the game. So anyway, you get out of the jail, you start looking around, the game is gonna go on. I'm thinking, well, of course I'm show you the details that I've added, because I always make things look much better. Quicksell is a lifesaver for this. But yeah, now you have like most of the cells. I actually closed some of the cells because I don't really want to be able to explore them more than to use them as environment design. But yeah, most of the cells already have much more detail with its decals and stuff. I'm still missing some materials, I have to work on this. But anyway, so the thing is that you get out of your cell, you start walking around, you get into here, and first of all I want to stop right here, because as you can see there's nothing, and suddenly you look down and you have a key. The idea of this game right now is to find keys and open gates, so this actually will be the first prop that you're gonna find, and I want to make this scene to work like an interface. So right now this will be the typical tutorial where an image will pop up on the screen and be like, hey, you have to click this key to do this action. In this case will be press E to grab the key. The key will be numbered, and the keys will be numbered, and you will have to get them one by one. But right now the only thing I've done is if I press now E, nothing happens. Maybe it's because I'm not too far away, but if I'm a bit near, the key is gone. And there's a little message at the right, and it's in Spanish, I'm sorry, but it says you got a key. So basically this is like my first attempt to start to work with blueprints. I'm kind of proud, even though it's like very basic stuff. So yeah, just to keep doing around. I also have this little thing going on. Now the doors open, like with an animation. This is pretty cool. So you get inside, and welcome to the cell. I know there's still some shadow issues I have to fix. I have to really work into this stuff because I've never actually worked around illumination, but I'm kind of happy. Like, it looks much more interesting, you could say. So you can like walk around. You can find, oh, there's another key. We'll take it. So you can look around. You'll have to, basically the game here will be like, okay, you have this background, this environment where you have to like look around, search for keys. I don't know if I'm gonna add in this level the AI policeman following you, because I think it should be cool to have like an introduction level, which I think is gonna be this one. But yeah, you're gonna have to move around. Here's some tables and crap. Oh, another key. And you have some minor details, I think, that make the scene more interesting. Still, I think even though the gel is really cool, I think it's a bit clean. So I'm gonna have to rework a bit around I don't know, making it cooler. So yeah, this is, I think I'm missing one. I never remember where's the last key. I have it like noted on our book, but I don't know. I kind of, yeah, well, I'm not gonna do the spoiler. But yeah, after all the keys, you will have to come to the exit. And right now there's nothing going on in here, but eventually, if you don't have the keys, the door will not open, and there will be a message like you need X amount of keys to get out. And if you have, then you click on the you press a key and you're out. So yeah, that's basically the update for this new part of the project. I'm quite excited. I think it can turn out really well. Also, I wanted to talk about some changes that I had from the last time that I was thinking about this project, and is that instead of making like a generic game where the only mechanic that's gonna be around is getting keys and open doors, I eventually think it's gonna be a more challenging and much cooler thing that every single level has a different type of mechanic slash mini game that you have to achieve in order to get a key, in order to get out. So basically right now this will be the first one, which will be, we could say, basic timer race. I was thinking there will be a room where you will have to play a card game with another inmate that has the key, and you have to win it from him. I don't know. I was having like ideas like, okay, why not should I challenge myself to play, I don't know, a different mini game, create different mini games, so I can just practice about it and still be making like a whole game by itself, which is a very simple idea of escaping from a jail. I don't know if any of you guys see this video and you want to like add any ideas you think that could make things cooler, or I don't know, you see this kind of stuff in the environment and you think it could be better, let's artistically adding more details, I will really appreciate all the help that I can get. I'm really open to any opinion. This is completely a learning process. I hope it ends up becoming something really cool and eventually something free to play, because it's gonna be like that. But I think it can turn out really cool. But yeah, thanks a lot for watching. My name is Irene Arnaiz. I'm a CG artist, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye bye.